So there are really four strategic challenges that companies face when thinking about AI strategies. The number one question really is my data ready for AI? And thinking through the condition, the systems, everything in place that AI requires to operate. Number two would be, what are my competitors doing? What's happening in the marketplace where AI may be used, or what are the ideas that the company has where they think they can use AI to leapfrog their competitors in the marketplace? Number three would be what are the use cases? What are the ways that we can use AI inside our company, whether it be internally with our own employees or with our own customers? And then number four, what technologies should I be using? Architecting artificial intelligence solutions can be very complex. So the selection of the technologies, how those technologies work together, requires some expertise and knowledge of the best way to do that.
So we have multiple offerings based on which level the client's data is at. We do data ops. If they don't have any data platform set up at all, we offer a data ops solution for them. If they do have a data ops platform already set up, we do ML ops, which is we do automated model development, deployment, and observability. If they already have that and are looking into integrating a Gen AI system into it, we have AI Pilot.
AI Pilot acts as an accelerator by bringing technologies already developed to a client. So that way they can accelerate the AI development process by anywhere from 8 months to 2 years, saving millions of dollars in the process, and more importantly, making them more competitive by accelerating that time frame in the process. We also have our services to develop use cases, helping clients to identify and define what those are, crystallizing those ideas, even writing business cases to make sure that there is an ROI there before we move forward. And then lastly, we have the architectural knowledge and experience to develop these solutions, which right now are very nascent. So having that expertise is very, very important because a lot of people are learning right now about these new technologies.
I've actually been fortunate enough to work on all three, data ops, ML ops, and Gen AI. So data ops, there was this client who had a large source of data. They had multiple systems where they got multiple data, but they didn't know what to do with it. They would manually go through it, check what they needed. So we created a system data ops platform for them where we integrated all three sources of data into a single platform and then ended up creating a visualization board for them as well. So it's easier, that gives out alerts for any notifications that they need. For one of the other clients, we ended up creating an ML ops on top of the data ops that we created. We're lucky enough to know what the data they had, what type of data they had, use cases. So we used that knowledge to create an ML ops platform where we built the entire system from model development to model deployment to model observability. And now we're working on AI Pilot, specifically Act Pilot, which is a Gen AI engine that you can easily integrate with your multiple data, and Act Pilot being specific to agriculture.
Headstorm has worked with clients for years developing data and analytics platforms. Now those platforms are ready for moving forward into artificial intelligence. Our solutions have ranged from machine learning solutions that detect certain parameters on equipment that's in service, to other models that can help with service solutions, sales solutions, and whatnot. We also have generative AI solutions that focus on sales processes, and creating better relationships with companies' customers, so that those better relationships can lead to potentially more sales and more service, but also to create more loyalty with our client. Accelerators are products or services already developed by Headstorm and then brought to our clients. This in turn helps to accelerate an initiative that a client is trying to bring to market. So in those situations, Headstorm has either shortened dramatically the timeline to get something out to market, or we've reduced the budget required to develop a product or service. This is incredibly helpful, not only from a cost or expense reduction perspective, but also from a competitiveness perspective, because it allows the customer sometimes to have a first to market or an early adoption type of advantage.